So it's a cute little box, and these are really cheap plastic. Some good quality, some not. 3-year warranty. You know, tape measure, basic, made in China. Oh, doesn't seem so good to pull that. I can't even get that out. So not a great tape measure. Drill bits are okay. This is cool. I mean, it's cute. It has a light on it. Seems okay. Charger. So it's an older plug-in for charging. It's fine. Hooks. This seems okay. Let's have a look. Actually, the hammer is really good. Good quality, solid hammer. Drill bits look fine. This is okay. I mean, you can see the sort of the quality of the plastic's not great there. Yeah, it's okay. This is so cheap. Oh my goodness. So really lightweight, flimsy plastic. Hopefully accurate. Don't know. Yeah, so who knows for the price? I guess you pay for what you get. This was $40.
This happened after they reported the star abuse to social services, and they were labeled malicious by Savannah, who eventually banned them from seeing Star.
All right, look at this hammer. The hammer looks like it's been used. It's got scratches on it and stuff. Look at that. I don't understand why. It's got a crack in here. It's cracked right here. Something that goes here is missing. The tape measure is off. Look at that. It's jacked up or something. I don't know. I mean, it's just, you know, it looks used to me. Like it's been used and put back together or something and then sent to me. Or, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know what's going on with it, but what do you think I should do? I don't know what I should do with this. It's, you know, like I said, it's cracked.
Everything that's in the description is in the box.
I like pink. Pink. Pink.
Oh my God.